So if there is a God, why does he want us to believe in him and not know him? As long as into kukholelwa entweni engingayiboni, then I will never buy to that thing. If it bawes laba bathi babazalwane basindisiwe bawes, they are the ones angazi bazenze kakhulu omzala abaJesu. Yeah, ngathi ama cousins ezinye ingane za Maria. Yonke into kubo as long as ingahambisani nalendlela bona abacabanga ngayo ibudimoni. Uyangithola. Obvious phela bazothi vele sisetshenziswa uSathane, it's their scapegoat.
Kanjalo ukuthi bathi satanism. Sanbonani, welcome to Echo TV, and this is The Call. My name is Thubelihle Wagadunga, and I am here with my lovely guest, Ubhuti Umtakaphosha. Don't forget, guys, we are live on YouTube. Please comment, subscribe, and also share. Tell us what you think about the show. Ngithe sinobhuti wethu Umtakaphosha, and he will give us a little lowdown on what he thinks. Sawubona bhuti.
Sanibonani Jans.
Ngiyaphila wena unjani? Do you prefer ukuthi Umtakaphosha kuphela, or you have another name engakubiza ngayo?
Gama lami uKatlego Kanare, but I love being called Umtakaphosha because there is a deep meaning behind that name.
Okay.
Yes, it's not just a brand, but it's a teaching to someone else. Yeah.
Ungathanda nje ukuthi nje kancane usibike usinike nje leyo teaching nyana mhlambe khona abantu abanga understand ukuthi why uMtakaphosha. Sitshele nje kancane ukuthi ubani uMtakaphosha and uphumaphi and all of that nje.
I usually tell people ukuthi kubaluleke kakhulu emhlabeni ukuba lento noma nomuntu ombiza ngomama.
Yes.
Yeah, so it happened to at my early ages when I was still 17 years old. Ngise umama's boy, ngakaze ngisebenze, then my mom passed on. So along the way, mangiqala ngiphaphama, ama Mother's Day ngibona abafowethu abanye abantu esiphila nabo bekhipha omama babo bebaposta babakhiphe babathengele ukudla. Then ngibe naleyo gap leyo nje ukuthi wow mama akasekho emhlabeni, and ayikho into engamenzela yona. So that thing was just a pain ehlale kakhulu enhlizweni yami up until ngize ngiqala ukwenza lemsebenzi that I'm doing, reuniting families, bringing peace unto imndeni exabanayo. Ibona leyo nto leyo. So mangenza kanjalo, one of the days bengilapha okhukho olundi, then an old granny mangiqeda ukubalungisela inkinga zomndeni wabo said yazi ungibongele kunyoko mntanami. So ngithi mina I know mama akasekho. Wathi yo I know busisiwe isibeletho sakhe. So I decided to take it back as a thanks to my mother, since I cannot do anything for her.
Obviously.
Angikwazi bakinothi ngayothela utshwala noma ugwaye ethuneni because bekangaphuzi bekangabhemi. So in the best that I can do for her, would say, let me do something good to you and then brand myself with her name, so that when ngikusizile elami igama mawungalazi yazilele lakhe. So mawuthi Umtakaphosha ngisizile kusho ukuthi she's getting the glory of the works of her home.
Yeah. No, siyabonga Umtakaphosha. So sizohlala nje lapho sithi Umtakaphosha because it carries a big meaning to you, and njengoba usho ukuthi ubalekile kakhulu ukuthi ube nomzali, and when you did not have the chance to do that. So yeah, siyabonga Umtakaphosha, and welcome to the show. Ubuyaphi Umtakaphosha?
Umtakaphosha ingane nje yaselokishini eThembisa Ivory Park.
Okay. Oh, all right. And uthi Umtakaphosha usiza abantu, uhlanganisa imindeni, usiza abantu ngenkinga abanazo. Ungasichazela kancane nje ukuthi usho ukuthini mawusho kanjalo?
Kahle what I will say ukuthi there are so many things emhlabeni that are dividing families.
Yeah. True.
And the systems that were given, that were subjected under by umbuso esiphila ngaphansi kuwona, iwona ayingozi kakhulu that are dividing families. Sinama classes, maningi ama differences esiba nawo as imndeni, and then we end up divided, and ukuhlukana kwethu siyimndeni it causes even poverty, it causes a lot of things. So at the end, if we want a solution, because at this time everyone is looking for a solution inkinga esibhekane nazo in the country, but will we solve the country with divided families?
Okay. So mawuthi uyabasiza usiza imndeni uyenzani, uyakhuleka or uhlalisa abantu phansi ucazulula inkinga abanazo? Ngithi kuhlukile siyaxabana singumndeni, mhlambe mina nabafowethu asisakhulumisani, asisahlangene njengomndeni. Masibiza umntakaphosho wenzani exactly?
Ake sikubeke kucace nadadewethu ukuthi ayikho inkinga ehlasela umndeni engalungiswa umkhuleko.
Okay. All right.
Ayikho inkinga ehlasela umndeni noma ehlukanisa umndeni engalungiswa umkhuleko. Ningabahamba bonke amasonto, bonke abathandazi, bonke abefundisi, ayikho inkinga engalungiswa umkhuleko, kodwa inkinga eyihlukanisa umndeni isilungiswa umlomo. So ilapho umntakaphosha akangena khona ufika asebenzise ubuhlakani bamazwi ukubonisa nini enixabanayo ukuthi cha niyadingana, sikho isidingo sokuthi nilo.
So asikhuleki phese siyahlala siyakhuluma silungisa inkinga esibhekane nayo. Mawuthi usebenzisa ubuhlakani bamazwi, usho amazwi lawa aseBhayibhelini or amazwi nje ukuthi nje siya communicate nje njengoba nami sikhuluma nawe nje manje?
Hey lutho amazwi aseBhayibhelini awanamsebenzi nje, lamazwi ayifanela nje na yonke nje incwadi nje ongayifunda.
Wasuthi awanamsebenzi uchaza ukuthini?
Ngichaza ukuthi awanamsebenzi nje, azifanela naso zonke nje incwadi, and uma ungafuna ukurelaya kuona lawa aseBhayibhelini kuningi ongahluleka ukukulungisa, because most of them impilo yabantu ebekade beyiphila. So angeke silungise inkinga yami nawe njengodadewethu ngo-2025 silungise ngo-Abraham no-Isaac abaphile those ancient times of which we don't even have evidence yokuthi bake baphila. So namhlanje ngo-2025 siyaxabana sibanga ukuthi mawupress uColgate upress engaphakathi kunokuthi upress engasemuva. So basicatshaniswa yileyo nto leyo, ngeke ilungiswe ivesi elikhuluma ngo-Abraham. So izolungiswa yithi esazi impilo esiyiphilayo at this time.
So angazi ukuthi ngithi kusho ukuthi kuchaza ukuthi wena nje awulithembi like awunandaba neBhayibheli or awulisebenzisi kangako, usebenzisa nje ukuhlakanipho kwengqondo nokuthi manje sibhekane nani sidila naleyo nkinga ngendlela enjalo, awurefereli to iBhayibheli.
Asikho isidingo sokureferela eBhayibhelini phela ngoba ingqondo sinayo. If ever bekumele yonke into esibhekana nayo sirely eBhayibhelini, I don't think naturally we're going to be born with brains, but mhlambe besozalwa sivesana isiqisho nje amavesi ingqondo yaleli. But ngoba phela sizalwe sanikeza ingqondo, kusho ukuthi ingqondo must work. So we have to rely on our brains, not relying on a book.
Okay. No, angazi ukuthi ngathi umntakaphosha uveza okunye. Mina bengathi mhlambe masikhuluma siloku sikhotha sithi izwi lithi njengoba nasesontweni bashumela abafundisi sithembele kubo ukuthi vele into eyiyona yona leyo bayishoyo. Wena uthini akusikona lokho ngoba naba bakhona bayakhonza baphila lempilo abayiphilayo ngeBhayibheli or under iBhayibheli or hamba njani?
Abaphila ke umuntu ophila impilo based on what the Bible says, but abantu bayazifaka bona ngaphansi kwamaBhayibheli. That's why kwamavesi, that's why iBhayibheli linamavesi akhuluma izinto ezinhle nezinto ezimbi. Abantu bazokhetha lele likhuluma okuhle, lele likhuluma okubi. Alimsebenzeli but likhuluma okuhle, and then uzothatha lona like I think it's Jeremiah 29 verse 11 mangaphazami or 11:29 there. I know the plans, my plans are to prosper you, not to kill you. And if you look at Jeremiah chapter 30, you find there are cases there. I will deliver you into the hands of the enemy. No one claims though where there are cases, but they claim my plans are not to kill but are to prosper you. So that's why I will deny that ukuthi khona abantu abaphila ngama-verse because bayazikhethela bazifithela abafuna ukuzifitha khona.
Umntaka Phosha uyaquote now njengoba ukhuluma manje uthi Jeremiah ini uJeremiah in kusho ukuthi kukhona umlando khona lapho ngezwi mhlambe ungasithatha nje usise back ukuthi what happened or mhlambe waqala somewhere because ngiyakholela ukuthi umuntu uqala somewhere ukuthi athi hayi akuphilwa ngezwi emhlabeni or in khona la kuqale khona uqale kuphi and what happened and what led you to now decide ukuthi I know ayikho nje indaba yokuhlala ngezwi asebenzisa umqondo nje wamanje noma ngabe kuneyinkinga ungathi asibuyelene ezwini or izwi lathi wena uzisebenzele nje ngokuthi siyenza lento yenzeka manje sidila ngayo manje what happened?
Asilungisele iyokhotha first because it's a problem that sihlangabezana nayo ngaphandle. Making an example, it's not quoting because when I am quoting, it's when I am giving out a teaching and then bring a verse as maybe a backbone of what I'm saying. Yes, but now I'm just giving an example. So somehow we find people say, hey, you don't want the Bible, but you are quoting from it. No, I'm not quoting, but I'm just providing an example. So I know njengaye wonke umuntu nje emhlabeni I was born knowing that there is God ngale phesheya kwamafu there is Jesus who died for izono zabantu going to church this thing is something that is in our blood system when we were born knowing this even if mhlambe ungayi esontweni noma ekhaya bengasonti because we have got people abasuka emakhaya la kunganasonto khona kodwa mhlawumbe kuyaphahlwa yabona noma ngabe kuyaphahlwa but still there is the system of prayer before kudliwa kuyathandazwa before kulalwe kuyathandazwa noma kungayiwe esontweni uyayibona so leyo nto leyo it takes us back ukuthi noma ngabe siye esontweni but the concept ends up iba yodwa. So we were born under that concept. Even in school, we have been given ama verses. Sunday school, sicula ama verse. Abona John 14 verse 1. Sicula ama verse Sunday school sifundisa umkhuleko. So this is something that was in the system. So lately, alo minyaka leyo nami sengi decided nami ukuthi okay, let me take it serious. Uyayibona ngikhonze then ngakhonza nami njengaye wonke umuntu.
Okay.
Yes, and then I felt in love with the church. I ended up finding myself preaching. I don't know how. I don't know how. I ended up finding myself preaching, and then I ended up being ordained as umfundisi. And then, yes, I lived in that gospel, preaching it, I think, for 12 years. Yeah, up until I decided, because mina personal ngokwami, I want people to know this. Mina ngokwami, each and everything engena kuyona, angeni ingqondo ngithathe ngibeke phansi but ngene entweni with my brains and then ngokuhamba kwesikhathi ngiyama ngibuke emuva ukuthi sengihamba ibanga elide nalento lena iwapha ama advantages nama disadvantages walento. Yes, even umuntu mhlawumbe ngene ebudlelwane nomuntu esifazana ngeke ngiphile nawe u5 years wonke ngingazange ngama ngaphoza kancane ngakubuka ukuthi engabunyathela kanjani ngabe impilo yethu esiyiphilayo bengimuhle mina kuwe noma bowumuhle kumina mapha amaphutho engwenzile mapha amaphutho owenzile. So right, looking up at those things, then I ended up realizing ukuthi no, there is nothing that I can point today and say I got it through a prayer. So prayer remains useless. There is nothing. I'm not saying mhlawumbe I left because I came to God expecting ukuthi I'm going to be a millionaire. I know Christians will say that, yeah, uze ucabanga ukuthi uba a millionaire, then God didn't do that, and then now you are. No. I'm talking about life. Because we are not talking about prosperity, but about life. For me to wake up in the morning with bread to eat.
Exactly.
You see. So I realized everything, when I'm praying, I'm talking to myself and then I'm convincing myself that there is someone who's listening to me. And then also convince myself that that person is going to answer me. then also work out the solution of the prayer myself, and then claim that someone has answered me. Because akekuthandaze manje la, and then you see bread, but you have to wake up your pant. So sometimes you even end up manipulating the system, end up now ushasha to get bread to eat. Then when you come back, you say thank you Jesus. Cabanga nje ubuye ukuthola
ngaphi uyakholwa.
Yes, ubuya ukuthola isinkwa ngobutsotsinyana, and then before udle lapha sekumele ubonge uNkulunkulu.
Ubonge ukuthi wenzile ubutsotsi busebenzile.
Yes, so yeah, I started checking izinto ezifana nalezo. Then I started looking for information, questioning a lot, and then I realized ukuthi ayikho lento.
So you stopped. So njengoba uthi wa ordainwa waba umfundisi, and you were preaching the word of uNkulunkulu, then you stopped because u realize ukuthi ayisebenzi lento le, noma ngabe ngiyaye enkonzweni ngiyakhuleka kodwa impilo imile. That's what you're saying. So impilo mayimile and wena ube ukhonza uNkulunkulu, akubonanga kubalekile ukuthi ulobuye esontweni, ngcono uhlale ekhaya and then udile ngelife ngendlela enye.
Ngasho ngithi mina yami impilo bengakami phela, impilo yomfundisi ayimi, ngoba impilo yamfundisi irelaye kuwe, idepende kuwe wena mzalwane.
Ngoba
mina ngibona ukuma kwezimpilo zabantu ukuthi okay thina we are getting something from them, but bona impilo zabo zimile. And then realize ukuthi in South Africa, I think it's now the 5th year lokho ngichecka ama states each and every year, and always 80%, 70%, 85%, 90% of the most depressed people in South Africa, it's always Christians.
abantu bayesontweni.
Yes. So why are they depressed yet they are praying to God? Why are they depressed yet there is God? So at the end you realize ukuthi ayikho lento.
So njengoba uthi uhlala nabantu niqazulula inkinga ezikhona, awubatsheli ngoNkulunkulu?
Angikwazi ukukutshela ngento engakaze ngayibona sisi.
Awukholelwa kuNkulunkulu?
Why kumele ngikholelwe?
Ayithi na ubumfundisi phela upreacher utshela abantu ngalo uNkulunkulu, and then nje because ubone abantu basafara under your watch, and then now sekujikile hayi akasekho lo uNkulunkulu.
Phela ukukholelwa siswami it's not knowing. So if there is a God, why does he want us to believe in him and not know him?
Hey, asazi phela abafundisi bathi bayafunda bathi bekhona mandulo usekhona or uyabuya or what's happening.
And that is a book that is written by another man becoming a business of someone else that is generating a lot of income. Hambo check Bible. It is the most top sold book each and every generation and each and every century. Then it's the word of God. uNkulunkulu uyi merchandise. Will ever, if there is a creator, will a creator be a merchandise?
Angeke. So akekho uNkulunkulu?
No, akekho.
So senzani? See, what are we doing?
No, we are living.
We are living under what? I mean, manje say ingisa back ukuthi yes sikhule sonto masikhula sihamba Sunday school nabogogo balokubathi ariyenkerekeng and stuff, and then now besenzani? What were we doing? Even nalaba bakhona amasonto akhona namhlanje benzani?
It's just a hobby, just like watching Orlando Pirates and Kaizer Chiefs.
Nje.
Yeah, it's just a hobby.
Ayikho benefit nje khona lapho.
There is nothing that you can benefit in church. If you want to see, there is nothing that you can benefit in church. You can still have 3 characters, more than 4 characters uwedwa, and then still going to church. Usaqasuka wenze uthuka umuntu lento ithola kumuntu osesontweni, still you can find it kumuntu ongaphandle. You can find umuntu osesontweni obhizi wenza inkohlakalo, you can find umuntu ongaphandle ongayesontweni ongayingeni yonke le ndaba, but ubhizi wenza izinto ezinhle. So that means ayisikho isidingo sesonto.
So sayiphilela nje, silinde nje lolo suku, asazi nokuthi nini nokuthi ubani, like
no, usuku ongalilinda siswami, it's your danger to just leave the world. Alukho olunye usuku oluzoza. Once you leave this world, it's over. Kuphelile ngawe, and then other people will continue living.
So awukhuleki?
Why must I pray?
I yazi ngile nto ngisho ngithi after 12 years of being a pastor uordainiwe usiza abantu under umkhuleko nokukholelwa kuNkulunkulu. It's just unbelievable ukuthi namhlanje uyavuka uthi ngiyachubeka nje nempilo noma ngabe bayakubiza lo mndeni ke kuthiwa kunenkinga esosicela uzosicazululela uqala ke kwe session yenu or whatever awubizi anybody awuceli awubongi.
Why kumele sibe nento esingayiboni esizoyicela that we are going to refer to, because angithi nako sixabene siyazi ukuthi sixatshaniswe yini. So if you call me when I arrive there, I will ask you the questions, why are you fighting? Then you tell me ukuthi kwasuka la kwaya la. Okay, and then by listening to you vele ayikho ingxabano engaba khona phakathi komndeni ongathola ukuthi sonke we didn't contribute ukuthi kuze kube njalo. So I will realize, I will make you realize ukuthi both of you have contributed, and then omunye nomunye before uzama ukulungisa lo nawe qala uadmit uvume uzicorrecte wena, so nalo yazo uzicorrecta yena. After senizicorrecte nonke, then now you are going to be able to make peace with each other.
So kuyakhona ukucazuleleka nje without even inviting uNkulunkulu ukuthi eze
uNkulunkulu yena ozoxabanisa ke, because mase kufika uNkulunkulu ke sekumele manje siye ngeideology yesonto lakho, because might happen mangifika ngizothola ukuthi wena unesonto lakho nalo unesonto lakho. So mase kufika uNkulunkulu kumele siye ngendlela umfundisi wakhe achaza ngakhona iverse. If ayihlangana neyalo then kuzoxatshanwa ke, because phela it's all about how your church interprets the verses. So ingakho ngingamfaka uNkulunkulu, because mangafaka uNkulunkulu sekuzomela siye ngesonto lakho, noma sekuzomela siye ngendlela mina engizoyichaza ngakhona if ever I was still a believer of that book.
Yeah. So bathini abantu abakholwayo or abasabelieve ukuthi kunoNkulunkulu, bathini ngomuntu ofana nawe uthi hayi mina angibelieveli kuNkulunkulu or ayikho nje into bathi uNkulunkulu khona?
Obvious phela bazothi vele sisetshenziswa uSathane, it's their scapegoat.
ukuthi bathi satanism.
It's their scapegoat. Obvious bazothi satanism. But the question is, who is Satan? Bayamazi nokumazi abamazi, because ama Christ they think they can be bad as enough by just believing in a book that was written by William Shakespeare and King James. Then they belong to God. Then you can do every good thing la ngaphandle more than them. Bonakalisa ama good deeds and even ama good morals, but because you don't believe in that book, then you belong to Satan. So at the end, they can even kill bona unaware that they are killing in defense of a book. And then they still claim ukuthi basebenzela uNkulunkulu.
Basebenzela uNkulunkulu. Hey, yeah, no, this is deep. Uthi Mtakaphosha, there is nothing as uNkulunkulu. Yena he doesn't believe and he doesn't care nokuthi abantu bathini. Anyway, you are still tuned in with us, Echo TV, and this is The Call, and my name is Thubelihle Wakadunga. Ningakhohlwa, please do comment and also share what you think about today's topic. Mtakaphosha uthi nje yena hayi noma ngabe uyanisiza neumndeni kepha akabizi uNkulunkulu, akabongi futhi aka recognize nje ukuthi kunoNkulunkulu. There's a lot. Ngithi ngikubuyisele emuva kancane ngifuna ukwazi ukuthi what stopped you, what happened, and ngathi angitholanga kahle yini le eyenza ukuthi uthi no man. Yes, siyabona ukuthi abantu beyeze esontweni bayakholwa bayahlupheka, and but khona like kunezinto ezenzakala endleleni uthola ukuthi mhlambe ngiyahlukumezeka nami nginje or mina nginemali ngiwumfundisi because abazalwane bayanikela, and then bese ngidecide ukuthi yini le yenzeka mhlambe khona umzalwane owaza kuwe wathi hayi baba in or what really happened?
Mhlambe I will be saying it for angazi maybe for the third time in social media platforms. Yeah, COVID was one of the things that alarmed me ukuthi ake ngiquestion lento. I think I've been telling people ukuthi as human beings we have to train ourselves not to accept everything as pure as it is, but let's learn how to question, because khona izinto that are made of gold, and then khona izinto that are gold plated. So sometimes you can accept a gold plated as a gold, kanti it's just a plated, it's just a plate. So COVID became one of the things that made me look at this thing, go to, oh, okay, now a sickness just comes out of nowhere. Boom. And then the country is on lockdown. Then abefundisi, don't forget ukuthi it was the beginning of 2020. And abefundisi, they declared the year in 2019 or December. Abanye, they claimed to prophesy. I remember I was watching a prophecy of Prophet Shepherd Bushiri saying, it was the 31st. The Lord has taken me to 2020. As I began to walk in 2020, I saw January 2020. Wabala uzofika ku December wathi the Lord has sent me to come and tell you that 2020 is gonna be a great
year.
I was like, don't tell a great year. So abanye nabo, they prophesied the year of prosperity, the year of what abanye they declared, because there is a difference between prophesying and declaring. Yes, abanye they declared it's going to be the year of open doors, year of what. No one of them akekho noyedwa owabona ukuthi maybe sizovalelwa. So now mase sivalelwa, it became a question ukuthi hayibo manje sifo esinjena saqhamuka. It became a question, right? Bahlule kanjani abaprofeti ukuyibona lento, number one. Number two, laba badeclareile ke bona, because the very same Bible says whatever that we speak and believe, it shall come to pass. So we have spoken, we have declared a good year, but now why is sishawa ilento leno? Because the Bible is, if you declare, if we speak with faith, believing in God, and lento sikhulumile izokwenzeka, with your faith you shall move mountains. You shall say unto this mountain, move, and be cast, it shall happen. So now why kungenzekanga, but kwenzeka something opposite, you see? And then along the way now, people are starting to lose jobs. People are starting to be retrenched. Companies are closing. And there are people who have been paying tithe. They are losing jobs. But now, how come? Because God said, test me with your tithes and offerings. See if I won't open the floodgates of heaven and pour you with blessings. But now we don't see blessings. We see people losing jobs. We see hunger and poverty. What's wrong? Where are the promises of God? So, kuze kufike la ukuthi someone who was very, very closer to me lost a job, ngokuhamba kwesikhathi lost indlu, and also lost imoto. And then she ended up being admitted esibhedlela under a depression center. And then, yes, I went there. Then I found ukuthi, hey, there are too many Christians lapho. And then I started to sebenzisana no SADAG, which is South African Depression and Anxiety Group. Then I realized they would see lento esiyishumayeza abantu, it's nonsense. When people are in troubles, we give them the story of Job. Job walahlekelwa yiko konke, ekugcineni kwabuya konke. When people are in troubles, we tell them about amadoda alahlelwe esithandweni somlilo. We are telling them about Daniel emgodini wamabhubezi. We are telling them about Stephanie akhandwa ngamatshe. But at the end, all those things are just stories that we are reading. Here we are facing a life in reality. This is a real life. Yes, we are reading a story in a book, but preaching it, it's more easier than experiencing it. So at the end, into enzeka kubantu ayihlangani nento esibafundi esibashumayezayo neBhayibhelini. So now I started doing my research ukuthi kahle kahle liyini iBhayibheli, because it's very, very painful ukuthi if people want to debate the Bible, they want to debate through the scriptures ukuthi uJona wahamba wayeNiniva ubani, but akekho umuntu ofuna ukulivala iBhayibheli and question ukuthi liyini lona liqhamukapi libuya. So that's where I started ukuthi angilivali iBhayibheli ngeke yonke lento engikhohlisayo ngifunda kulona but let me close it and question ukuthi liyini libuya only to find out lifike la eAfrica ngo1652 nabo Jan van Riebeeck who were going with ama colonialists. So the question is, if it came through colonialism, then it has the bad foundation. Engabe into ne foundation embi ngaphindi ibe nama results amahle na.
Yeah, ne. And abalazi leqiniso abefundisi.
Abefundisi iqiniso bayalazi kodwa lento it's a hassle kubo, so they hide the truth from the people and let you believe that, but they know very well. That's why umfundisi will always preach to you ukuthi he will always preach to you ukuthi forgive 70 times 7 as the Bible says. Kodwa ake kube nomzalwane lapha esontweni noma ku leadership ongenzeka ukuthi imali yomnikelo lapha esontweni mhlawumbe idlule ezandleni zakhe athi ukuyiphungula yathi ukuyithatha sibone ukuthi umfundisi uzomforgive 70 times 7 nangeke emalini bayazi phela ukuthi lento ayikho and bayazi ukuthi imali imele ba benefit nabe emalini noma ingakhafiti ngozesona but egcineni nabo baya benefit so ngeke bakuforgive 70 times 7 mawutshontsha imali yomnikelo.
Hey yeah no kahle ngizothi angisazi ukuthi ngithi ngiyavumelana nawe or angivumelani nawe kodwa iyenza umqondo inomqondo lento ekhulumayo ngoba kubukeka ngathi sikholelwe entweni esingekho sure ngayo. Nami ngizozibala lapho because yes sikhula siloku sithi siyakhonza siyakhuleka every day and night siyacela ukuthi izinto zethu zikhanye nani but at the end of the day njengoba uthi ukuthi mawuvala iBhayibheli uthola ukuthi livela libuye nabo Jan van Riebeeck akekho nje nomuntu owaziyo ukuthi balithatha kwabona so nje inzimanyana nje ifuna nje ukuthi vele kulokuxazululwa kahle ilandelelwa size sithole ukuthi what is it really le ekufanele siyenze o yini ke esokholelwa kuyo o siyaqhubeka nje siphilela the way njengomntaka Phosha asho athi yena ulungisa into according to the way siyenza ngakhona. If nawe ufila kanjalo njengomntaka Phosha uzosicommentela usitshele ukuthi what do you think about abantu abangakholelwa kuNkulunkulu. Mina I don't know but as I said ukuthi it's his own beliefs and asiphikisi umuntu and sifuna nje ukwazi ukuthi until when mina into engifuna ukuyazi ukuthi until when because yes uqale lapho umfundisi 12 years ordained pastor or whatever utshela abantu lokho and then whatever happened or decide ukuthi so usolinde nje ukuthi wena ufuna nje ukukholelwa kuNkulunkulu.
Phela ngithi siswami this is what I think I've mentioned ukuthi why must we believe why kumele sikholelwe as long as into inokukholelwa entweni engingayiboni then I will never buy to that thing because ukholelwa belief is an enemy of knowledge. So if there is God then let that God be known angazifihli because ukuzifihla kwakhe kuyonakala emhlabeni. Human beings are playing each other because uzifihlile yena. Right now we are dealing with a lot. There are people who lost houses. There are people who sold out their houses because there were rumors that the rapture is happening. People are going to be flying like butterflies. Jesus is coming and whatsoever. Yonke le nonsense yenzeka just because of we are being given a God who has on a degree yokuqasha has got a diploma in hiding. So if there is God, then why is he hiding?
Akaziveze simbona.
Yes, it's very very simple ukuthi wonke umuntu amkhole uNkulunkulu. It will never take anyone to go on the street and preach, but God can just supernaturally show up. If singavela sibona amafu ebhala lapha phezulu, who will not believe ukuthi there is God? If kungaduma izulu sizwe ivoice yomuntu, who won't believe ukuthi there is God? No one. But just because now kumele ngize mina nomqonjwana wami ngizofika ngivule incwadi that was written by William Shakespeare and say God said this and God said this, uJesu athi, then if now kuzofika umuntu who's critically thinking is going to check ukuthi lento ikhulumayo you are taking it from a book and then you are analyzing it when you're working out your own interpretation of that book and then you claim that is God, then it's your brains.
So and then abafundisi laba balaziyo leqiniso leli bayaqhubeka basayenza namabandla bayenzana.
They will continue because vele lento it was created to control people, and then noma ngabe befundisi baya benefita, but the whole church and the whole Christian system, it is always benefiting one family. Lento inabanikazi eRome. So abanikazi ba eRome, they created it and then they benefited from it. Ngaleso sikhathi leso, then bayiletha kumuntu omnyama, they put theological institutions to train abantu abamnyama. So abantu abamnyama now, they're the ones who are exploiting each other through bona, but at the end khona major shareholders who are benefiting a lot from this whole thing. So abefundisi, they will continue because it's a hustle. If ever bekuthiwa isonto kuvuka ekseni kuyasontwa kuphela emasontweni kubuyelwe emuva siyohlala ekhaya kunganandaba yomnikelo kungana okweshumi, abengeke sibe nabefundisi abaningi kanje eSouth Africa ngathi amakawusi adayiswa la emgaqweni.
So sinala mabandla amaningi because of lenkinga yomnikelo.
Injalo nje.
Inkinga umnikelo.
If bekunganamnikelo bengeke sibe namabandla amaningi.
Kahle kahle senza imali la, kwenziwa imali.
It's all about money, it's a business.
Masithinta indaba yomnikelo wena Mtakaphosha nayo ibroad kancane. Nabo bayabuyela khona kule Bible leli ba quote or ba declare ama verse ukuthi nikelani, and then bese bayayithatha le mali kuba yabo or kwenziwani ngale mali, imali yani, umnikelo wani.
Phela nibabeyithatha bathi imali kaNkuluNkulu.
Muphi lo ngekho?
Mabeyithatha bathi imali. No, phela ubona bayazi, iningi labo bayazi ukuthi akekho. Kodwa kumele mabeyithatha ukuze wena uyikhiphe bathi imali kaNkuluNkulu, mayifunwa ayifunwa yibi, ifunwa uNkuluNkulu, but at the end asikaze simbone uNkuluNkulu ehla azodla imali yomnikelo la. Imali yomnikelo idliwa umfundisi.
Yabo.
I-account asikaze siyibone i-account yaNkuluNkulu, sibone i-account yamfundisi.
Inkinga le inkinga enkulu, because I think mina mangisenkonzweni nginikela because bathi nikela uvuna ngithi or something like that. Mangi-expect ukuthi ngithola ama-blessings ngokunikela kwami, then kuya kumfundisi athatha uMtakaphosha afake esikhwameni or bahambe bayidlele kamnandi nefamily yakhe. Izibusiso zami zivelaphi?
Kwakuqala vele mawuzonikela, mawu-expect ukuthi uzothola izibusiso ngokunikela esontweni, usuka unikelela ini esontweni, kanti lezo izibusiso uzozithola zisuka kubani?
Kulabo abakhulekayo phela. Ayithi bayakhuleka abafundisi, mawuceda ukunikelwa kuyabusisa umnikelo, and then ibusiso mhlambe uNkulunkulu uzoziyehlisa ke.
Which is a wrong concept of giving. Abantu bashiya imndeni yabo ilambile, bashiya bomakhelwane babo belambile and go to church umuntu ayonikela. Ungqongqoze ekseni kwakho umakhelwane makhe ngicela noma ngabe 20 rand thengela abantwana isinkwa, then hayi makhe anginalutho but sawukhipha 200 rand wenikela ngayo esontweni because you want a blessing. So we were destroyed, sathathelwa. Because if we talk about a blessing, masikhuluma ngesibusiso, sikhuluma ngokujabulisa umuntu bese lo muntu omjabulisile yena ngaphakathi ajabule ngaphakathi yena, bayibona ukujabula kwakhe ngaphakathi nawe uzolandwa ngokuhle. So people are failing to understand that if you do something to someone else, mawusiza umuntu, if you cover isidingo somuntu, then nawe you are opening an opportunity yokuthi kuvaleke esakhe isidingo, omunye umuntu uzovala esakhe isidingo, or else the very same person lo omsizile wena tomorrow naye uyophenduka usizo kwena. Akekho umuntu ongamsiza khohlwa.
Akekho vele. Hey, yeah, no. Ladies and gentlemen, uMtakaphosha uthi there is no such as God, into ebizwa uNkulunkulu, nomnikelo wakhona ninikelela abantu. Umtakaphosha uthi yena usiza imindeni. That is what he is giving back. Manje uyenza kanjalo, akathi abantu abakhuleke or akhuleke labantu, kepha yena nje usiza abantu. So uMtakaphosha ngasitshela nje ukuthi utholakala kanjani or abantu mabafuna usizo lunjani, like what services do you offer and abantu bakuthola kuphi?
Mina ngitholakala einkundleni zokuxhumana ku Facebook uKatle Khwaganare, TikTok uMtakaphosha, Number yami 0736397862. Umuntu, I help abantu who are struggling with making peace with their families. Maybe kuyaxatshanwa ngoba ziningi izinto ezisixabanisayo bakithi. But inkolo it's the core. Inkolo nepolitiki it's the core. The fact that umZCC omunye umzayoni then kuba nenkinga noma umZCC omunye umzalwane futhi bawesi laba bathi babazalwane basindisiwe bawesi they are the ones angazi bazenze kakhulu omzala baJesu. Yeah, ngathi ama cousins ezinye ingane zaMaria. Yonke into kubo as long as ingahambisani nalendlela bona abacabanga ngayo ibudimoni. Uyangithola. So you might find out ukuthi nangu umalume lana uyisontele ZCC bamnikeza umhabulo itiya lakhe lapha nezinye mhlawumbe izinto zabo abayisebenzisayo and then nangu sisi la endlini usindisiwe and then babhizi bashumayela ukuthi lezo zinto zase ZCC ezasesihogweni isonto lase ZCC kunenyoka eZCC ucabanga ukuthi siyophinde sizwane la endlini. Mami mina ngiqhamuka nedoctrine ethi wena lamanzi oze nawo eZCC amanzi ageza idumbu. Because bame bashumayezana emasontweni banokucamba amanga kanjalo bathi amanzi aseZCC ageza idumbu kodwa akekho umuntu oke wafika wabona ukuthi lawo amanzi ageza idumbu. So if ngiqhamuka ne-information enjalo ney'ntshumayelo ezinjalo sometimes ngiyabuya ngiyasidlala laphayana roomini lami laphayana kwi-speaker uyalalela laphayana. There is this late pastor washona from Emlazi Pastor NJ Sithole used to preach kana sermons wakhe nje amaningi kakhulu abantu mabefuna ukudelela abazalwane bathi fama ukudelela ngama sermons NJ Sithole avesana nje afake intshumayelo NJ Sithole idlalele phezulu nje athukane nje athi abantu baka ZCC abaye ku council khanyane bazo esihogweni. So now those things are zibonakala zincane but they are going to create a huge fight because you are busy playing something that is mocking my belief and mocking my religion here. You see, at the end, mina mangithatha lamanzi wami engize nawe eZCC, I'm making an example, I'm not a ZCC member, people ngishanyela lapha eminyango phela bangitshela ukuthi no ngoba uma uphuphe kabi uma uvuke ekseni ucele ngalamanzi eminyango. So mangicela ngalamanzi eminyango wena lapha ngoba sisendlini eyodwa mhlawumbe ne room lakho lapha siyazalana mfowethu, then mawubona ngicela lapha uthini ngiyakuthakaza
awusangeni nasendlini.
Yeah, so manje sekumele mangabe ne room lakho sekumele amanzi angalenzi iphutha phezulu ngifafaza amanzi phansi mangenza iphutha amanzi awele ngale uyangiloya
sekuyinkinga.
Yebo, so we are helping people ukuthi sidile nezinkinga ezinjalo and make you understand ukuthi inkolo kwayona nje akekho umuntu oyiqondayo ize nabantu akaze futhi uNkulunkulu mangabe kuthiwa ukhona lo uNkulunkulu. Mina vele I say it without fear, there is nothing called God. Mangabe ukhona lo uNkulunkulu lo he was supposed ukuthi I confirm indaba yenkolo because we cannot be having a God bese sibe na over 47 million denominations of Christianity then uNkulunkulu angaveli yena asho ukuthi no ayekani yonke lento naye right. So that proves ukuthi it does not exist anyway.
So uthini kubantu abakholayo bayazenzela lento and kuzophuma kubo ukuthi like fanele bayiyeke or bachubeke until kuze kubonakala ukuthi umvuzo wakhona yini.
Awukho nje umvuzo.
Abayeke.
Umuntu angeke siphoqa umuntu ukuthi umuntu akayeke. Umuntu angaziqhubekela ngento ayenzayo but into ebhlungu qaphela ingagqilazi ingakudaleli one izitha ungazonda umuntu ngenxa yenkolo ungathukani nomuntu ngenxa yenkolo because ayikho indaba yenkolo akekho uNkulunkulu akekho uJesu and ungasetshenziswa ungayuzwa ngabanye abantu because kunabanye abantu abasebenzela befundisa inyanga iqala iziyophela usebenzela isonto nje esontweni makuyi Sunday inyanga iphelile ukeep it tithe kodwa keep it tithe mhlawumbe phela befundisi bahlakaniphile they know very well ukuthi mase kulanda month end maybe a Sunday before month end Sunday ye month end uzoshumayela intshumayelo aqede asebenze akhe a certain mind build revelation yakhe bese aqeda khiphe ama envelopes of a special offering maybe envelope 1,000 rand. Wazi kahle ukuthi uzothi maka receive lawo ma envelope 1,000 rand phezulu kwalawo ma envelope kuneshumi futhi phinde kube nomnikelo futhi is a free will offering.
Yeah.
Abanye phinde babe nama products futhi abawathengisa abadayisa ama oil abadayisa amanzi uyayibona. So you find ukuthi Sunday eyodwa ye month end umuntu uspendile u4,000 esontweni and then you are getting paid 9,000 rand. Already you have spent 4,000 in church.
Hey, sebenzela inkonzo. Hey.
You have already spent 4,000 in church and you are getting paid 9,000. Usane transport yakhe yokuya emsebenzini. Usane nokudla kwabantwana ekhaya. Too many things that ama expenses. So baningi abantu abahlupheka namhlanje because of le mali abanikela ngayo esontweni. That could have been covered some needs zasendlini.
Laba abanikelayo bese bayabuseka like izinto zenzakale empilweni yabo. Uthini bona?
Akekho umuntu onikelayo bese izinto zakhe zenzakala, izinto zenzeke kahle empilweni yakhe ukuthi people have been given this religion and then badayiselwana ngefear. So abantu bayakwazi nokuqamba amanga in defense of inkolo. We have got a lot of people here in South Africa abangahamba benze ngisho nezinto ezimbi ezibheke eceleni maqeda lapha uyazoma phambi kwenathi nganikela uNkulunkulu wangenzela lokho kanti cha akusina umnikelo. Our sisters bathola ama promotion emisebenzini through sleeping with the bosses and managers, then they come back in front of the congregation and say God has blessed me. So there is a lot of things that are happening. Akekho umuntu oke wanikela wabusiseka. Umuntu obusisekayo ilo wamukela umnikelo. Onikelayo akazabusiseka ikho lonto.
All right, guys, we heard a lot from Ubudwethu Umtakaphosha. He also goes by the name Ukatla Khowanare. Please do follow him on social media platforms. And as I said, this is Echo TV and this is The Call. My name is Thubelihle Wakadunga and I was giving you some glitzinyana on what Mr. Mtakaphosha believes in. If you have anything to say or any comment, please do feel free to comment. And also don't forget to subscribe on our page. I did say we are the Echo TV. And thank you very much.